Assalamu alaikum, medicinal chemistry lecture notes. Today we are going to discuss about the synthesis of mefenamic acid. Another drug belongs to the NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Here is the basic structure of the mefenamic acid. The chemical name is N2,3-xylyl anthranilic acid. The starting compound for the synthesis of mefenamic acid is orthochlorobenzoic acid. Undergoes reaction with 2,3-dimethyl-aniline. When these two compounds brings under condensation, they form an intermediate mefenamic salt or potassium salt of mefenamic acid. This, upon further treatment with hydrochloric acid, yields mefenamic acid by removing potassium chloride. Thank you.